Hello and welcome to another episode of Air Fryer series. My name is Oluwatunseyi. In today's recipe, we are going to see how we can make eggs with vegetables in an air fryer. So relax and let's do this together. Here are the ingredients for this recipe: 2 eggs, 1 stalk of celery, 5 stalks of parsley, 1 medium-sized carrot, some spring onions that I want to chop into 1 cup, potato peeler, knife, measuring spoons, 4 Irish potatoes. I also have a grater for the Irish potatoes and carrots. Chop the veggies. We will start with the spring onions. I actually want 1 cup of spring onions, so let's see if these onions will make up to a cup. Oh, almost. But that's fine. Chop the celery and then the parsley. Cut off the stalks. Don't worry if you don't have any of these green veggies. You can add your spinach or fluted pumpkin leaves, that's ugu leaves, to make up. They are very healthy too. Next is the carrot. Shred it with the grater. Use the potato peeler to get the skin off the Irish potatoes. Then grate the potatoes like so. Crack the eggs into a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, then 1 teaspoon of ground chili pepper. Whisk everything together to combine. Pour all the veggies into the eggs and mix. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Stir nicely. Grease the pan properly. Pour into the baking pan. Bake this in the air fryer for 15 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius. Yes, for the baking pan, there are specifications for the use of silicone baking pans, and the temperature of 220 degrees Celsius should not be exceeded. Always check the manufacturer's specifications, or to be safer, you can just go for the pans made of ceramics, glass, or stainless steel. What do you have to say about the use of silicone pans for baking? Let's talk about this in the comments below. This vegetable egg cake can be taken alone or with bread, yam, or rice. Thanks for watching this video to the end. Kindly give this video a thumbs up if you like it. This means a lot to me. Don't forget to subscribe and share to friends and family. Till I see you in the next video, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.